Welcome to a quick how-to on using this guide and making a backup on your Raspberry Pi. So for this, there's some step-by-step methods, and some things kind of go together and kind of build on each other. So kind of read along. If you just copy and paste everything, you end up having some things on there twice. And a lot of this shows you where stuff exists, and I tried to italicize commands that you're actually going to run, right? So as you go through this, some of this is what you type into a script, but again, do notice as you're moving forward, some of this is replacing again. So you do need to read all of this through, understand what's going on, which will also work with the questions at the end. But again, go through this, get it all configured for your backups, and then there is a second part of this which is important because all of this backs up onto your computer, and there are some other things that you can do as well. So with that, those are the base directions that you need to go through. There's some other things that you can go through, but you do need to read them all, right? You do need to read through all of this, kind of see what's going on. Again, you don't have to use this on yours. It does require some specifics, which some of this I believe allows you to, if you want to do the automatically piece of this, pick one of the two. So that kind of walks you through another method, which will lead you through and help you through answering the questions that are at the end of said project down here as you're going through, kind of understanding what we talked about in other lessons with that. So again, make sure you're going through. This can all be done on the Raspberry Pi. This is designed for the Raspberry Pi, right? So everything, all the locations, everything that's asking for is designed for a Raspberry Pi. You might need to find a different article if you don't have a Raspberry Pi and do the same concept. And again, you'll notice, again, screenshots are important to show that you've actually done so, right? So with that, have a good one. See you next tutorial.